Hello all, I hope you all are fine. The today video we're gonna talk about the what kind of question asked by assessor in JRP test. I have been conducting so many interviews with the different students, and different students have been sharing their reviews, what assessor asks, how assessor question asked, and what are the main questions they ask, how long they stay on their workplace, what main questions they focused on when they observe, what they usually observe. So these type of question I have been listening from different students, those already have appeared in the test. One of the students recently appeared in the test. The questions, I don't know if you can see, is the questions are here. So they are, the question is like, I'll show you. So I want to just show you this list, then we'll go with the further information. So 1 to 34 question in this, and 33 to 74 on this. So altogether 74 to 75 question asked by the assessor to this student. Why? Because nowadays what happen is, this is awareness video. Many of the students watching YouTube videos, that's absolutely fine, that's absolutely amazing to gain a lot of knowledge, and you can improve yourself as well, and you know a lot of rules and regulation in the hospitality industry. But now majority of the students are just saying those answers to each and every assessor. So therefore what happened is, the many of the assessors found out this, the somebody is helping them. So somebody means either myself, either someone else, like who's helping you to pass your JRP test. So now you have to be very aware. I'm not threatening this one, it is not a threat, it's not anything which is you have to worry about, but only you have to change the language, the way you answer to your assessors. Do not exactly say what you are watching it or what you are listening it in the videos, and exactly you are just imposing those questions and answers there. No, it is not good idea. Best part is, take the information from those videos and implement on you, and how you want to answer with your imagination, so with your ideas, with your the way of you want to deliver it, you do it, but do not exactly say it. So what happened, most of the cases, examiner gets suspect on you or the assessor gets suspect on you, which can lead you to unsuccessful your JRP test. I highly recommend, if you watch those videos, make sure get an idea and just convert in your language. Do not exactly repeat those answers which are there, because if 15 students have watched those videos, so 15 students have repeatedly saying those answers, so it means the assessor got somewhere a strike, the doubt that somebody is helping them out, and they are the not legit chefs, or they are not real chefs, they are the fake chefs. So this is awareness video. So make sure, nowadays assessor asks many questions, they stay almost 2 hours there, and they observe you while in the kitchen. They also ask you question while you work. Sometimes they don't even go for an interview question which is 45 minutes. They always sit with you, and they ask you 45 minutes question and answers, then they ask verification with your supervisor, then they observe you. But nowadays they are straight away popping up in the kitchen, and they are just observing you. When you are free, they ask you question, then they keep asking you questions. So 74 to 75 questions have been asked to this student, and I have been gaining, especially from Brisbane and Sydney and Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne I would say still not in that list, but especially those another states, they are highly, especially highly in Brisbane, the assessors are very strict, especially those are working in Indian restaurants. If you're working in Indian restaurants, so make sure do not take it easy. It is not an easy interview going to happen with your assessor. It is going to be tough, so make sure you should prepare yourself before you appear in the test. And if you need my help in any way, I am ready to help you guys. Watch those videos, make notes. If any concern, feel free to write a comment on YouTube. I will happily answer your questions. If you need any PDF related to this JRP questions or for the chef, painters, automotive, bricklayer, any XYZ profession, I'll happy to help you guys through the PDF, and you can contact me through the social medias. Do not forget to follow this channel and subscribe if you haven't subscribed it, and make sure if you need any help or if you do not understand any question, write a comment below and I will happy to help you guys. I'll see you in the next information. Till then, take care of yourself. These all 74 questions I'm gonna make the video soon, and just stay in touch and I'll see you on those videos. Take care. Bye bye.